can have the silver and gold. You can have the rubies and the diamonds. You can have all the pretty girls in this world, wide world. But I never gonna leave your trouble. No matter what they do, I'm never gonna leave your trouble. don't believe in that Father God. So this one here. You know where I want to put blood? Get some more of the champagne and the Hennessy them off for the ice. Got a party here. When we're flying for party, we take it serious. That's why we're not afraid of time for play music, you know what I mean? We just come out and we play music because the people them out. Saying, pick up the people them and know see a long time you go dance hall and you know boogie and music from good music. Saying, you know, so we have to set the foundation for the big people them out. Saying, you know, say I give them some music and they rock to the beat and enjoy the time at the moment. Jump into the party, you know, say, a general now. You understand what I mean? Pick up the people that we know, so when they go dance hall, I hear a rhythm like this drop, you know, with the dance hall still. Saying, when the people that we know say, oh, all blood, they all 7, all 8, all 9, no, we have to get to this one. What about all 3, all 2?
Set you free, whatever. I was stepping out them face with all me like it. When them know what me buy, but they come with the decimal form. You know me now, watch my face, come down, try the case, please. Suck your mama, you can't help me. And them say I be run the place, I'm a shame from the waist, and me a 10 million from me a 20. Just never stop watch me growth, stop watch me die, stop watch me nose, I'm the rasta man side. Stop watch me growth, stop watch me fight. I never read about the most one.
What a party! You see me 2022, let me tell you now.
What the friends want to eat? What the friends want to eat?
It's been a while. Good to see you, my sister. Nothing but love for you. First and foremost, I give thanks for life. Everlasting life and good life, and most of all, eternal life. Because of life, nothing at all is possible. So Almighty God is you first, and whom the Almighty bless the man curse. Jungle George! I want to check the news of room. Near you, my brother. Near you, my God. Listen, be careful. I know today. I know yesterday. I won't live for years for cheap. Listen, I say, only 5 years, Jungle George, you celebrate life. So I was another earth shock for the eyes. So, Jungle George, hear me, I said, man, more life and prosperity, long life and I'm a G. And I told them, yes, that only 5 years, you put in work and pay your dues, and you earn your respect. After you're strong years, son. Except for you're strong, what do you told you? All of the white man are here, Jungle George. Right about now, if you have a drink, if you have a drink right about now, I want to say all the real people that vote you. Just have a drink with Jungle George. And it goes like this. Let's drink to the hard-working people. Last year, youth. Let's drink to the lonely number. Raise a glass and sing out the people. Raise your glass to the good and the evil. Father, Father, Mr. General. Let's drink to the sound of that.
Though I'm missing you.
Follow Mr. Farley, soldier right about now. Speak the general.
Don't be ungrateful enough. So reason for pass that down. I want to forget them. Wonderful. So real pass that down. So real pass that down. Somebody sing that one.
I'm so empty inside, and my tears I
It's so unjust, children. You don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend.
Sing it like to me.
And your best friend, your worst enemy.
Let somebody know what to do.
Someone separate with you.
Then we need touch.
Left behind, that's the super.
I don't know about what's in that sound.
Only a friend knows the secret.
Just a lie.
So only he could reveal it.
The message is the music. Make that tune and play some more. Make that tune and play some more. If you are not clear, I don't love that tune. Ready now.
Mind to mind is so unjust. Children, they don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend.
Let's know that.
And your best friend, your worst enemy.
Let somebody know what to do.
Someone be temporary with you. Left behind, that's the upon you. Only a friend knows your secret. So only he could reveal it. Love and hate can never be friends. So no, oh no.
Ready now.
Here I come with love and light.
Everybody. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us.
Come along, yeah, and the deal has started. Too much work on it, too much change on it. Said lepers are trying to kill.
When I see Father Bunny jump that tune and never wear them. When I see Father Bunny jump that tune and original, jump that tune and all of them on the side.
Oh, I wake up in the morning.
When I set the foundation, and them style, and them style. Ready again.
Oh, I wake up in the morning with my head down in my eyes, and she says, and then I stumble to the breakfast table, right to the going off to school goodbye.
And this one, and this one, and this one.
She reaches out, takes my hand, squeezes it and says,
we inside. It's not in Ghana. We don't want to come in. Run down the ganja, we always do the thing. It's a son of Salman Gray. And the business is a shame shoulder. Say it on the mountain on the hill. Cause I'm the ganja man. Easy afternoon. Where the girl is there, man? Yes, I'm gonna take a piece of making peace. I got some time for the get shots on me, their thoughts and their box. We love the box. All I want to do is come down and come down. Love for all the time, love for all the time, love for all the box and love for all the love for all the time, love for all the time, love for all the box and love for all the just for all the to make you happy, to make you stand for all the we don't know what about this, no way to rock on. Put on me in a positive, baby that bad. But when you know it, now you're not feeling very bad. You're getting out without the level. Fall on the hand, and I'm ready for no one. Like a cool one, put up a bunch of that wings for all the eyes from the bed. Sleeping on the wire, and feeling crystal. Put on the come in to watch my soul on the left. You know what's sleeping on the good. You can't get it out so much.
Everyone am I right? We start this whole destiny. Hold on, promote. No more of that chichi. I don't agree with it. I don't agree with it. Big up all who used to things. And a son of the people who used to things. Big up all who have spent money long time and used to money. Big up all who wear good clothes long time and used to good clothes. All who live good life long time and used to good life. All who used to good friends, good family, good energy and full time. But you have some glasses come to good too. When they used to know. I'm part of real people. All who used to things. When the Almighty bless you, I put you on top, I'm on the way. To the jealous bad mind people who never like it. But look better my ask them that question.
Why you come in and couldn't have made no
If you're part of the reason, your good friend, your right friend, that's your friend, ready now. Alive.
Yeah.
She make the money, she can't.
Alright, you know what? You know what? Don't go down, I'm a boy. Come on, you want to stage, you know? Yo, hold on, man. Go for the stage, man. I'm eager to mic, you know. Hold on. I'm in the life. You know, and I want to mix my special birthday. Well, it's just come to tonight. Last Saturday was mine, and tonight I feel one. I'm telling you, whether you have a heart or a mood, it's not for everybody. You don't care what nobody wants to say. Don't judge, it will look out for everybody. You won't put him last, dog.
And it will cost you.
And it will cost you and it's your time. You know, I love him. And guess what? Why everybody one time say, happy birthday, Double Dad. Well, again, one time, happy birthday, Double Dad.
Of respect. God bless my brother. Jungle George, you have good youth for your man. I don't know as a bad man first. But yeah, some people don't see you. They don't know you. And through God bless you. I used to dance with you nice too. They act like they have sense, they don't like you. Remember, they don't see you. They don't know a thing about you. But they don't like you. So go and tell some bad man people say,
You know what like please go and suck your mother. I don't give a fuck about you, nor your friend, nor your fucking enemy, nor anybody that fucking associates with you. Go and fuck that ugly fucker who's in the room, that ugly fucker. I'm gonna remix it up. That ugly fucker like you. Them see you know what they like you. Who them? So I'm gonna post so I don't like it. See them on the hype up on that thing that's fighting. So we are making money. Here comes the haters there. Alright, tell them something. I'm talking about that bad. The only bad that bad about bad mind get the best of it. I would not make no friend till you have the money. Tell some bad man people say. Suck your mother. I don't give a fuck about you, nor your friend, nor enemies, nor anything. Here comes the haters. That ugly fucker who's introduced that ugly fucker to fuck that ugly fucker and get the ugly fucker like you. The ugly fucker you. Someone has to turn on the post so I don't like it. See them on the hype up and that thing that's fighting. But for the content of two, God, I'm in I will make money, make some more money. Tell them that we don't know the post so I don't like it. Some of them are stepping on the face with that. Make some more money. They don't know what me about it. I want more bad man, tell bad man people say. Bad man get the best of them. Bad man get the best of them. We're not begging the friend. We're not begging the friend. Chicago. We're not begging the boost for nothing. I'm done got the things that we did. Got the job, the things that I run. So what? Checking out them wonder if me have been supposed to be that. Now I'm a boost for nothing. Listen, I will make money, make some more money. I'm born there. I will some more money. You know what I'm going to get them.
Them no one to reach nowhere. But the money at the top is just a word.
Now watch you dance. Now watch you dance. Now watch you dance. Hey!
Every man is straight and clean, but I'm not. And the big boy thinks what's up. When you sing for every night of the one, you want to know what's up and you're real to
Jungle George start, I want to say something. Listen carefully.
Happy birthday, Daddy! One good birthday! Look how the share goes, Daddy! Not just my happy birthday, Daddy.
Daddy! That's happy birthday, Daddy! Alright, Daddy! Yes, man. Enough respect, Daddy! It's a blessing! You are a different child. They will give thanks for life.
I am
No matter what them a do, them a do it. Cause we come in like a business. They can't get me up. See them how much about them can't get me up. Them that's the stuff about them can't get me up. My God, they can't get me up. And they ask them God, them can't get me up. Well, that's all me ask, can't get me up. I'm a say, I know them can't get me up, yo. Before you see them like a man, shut it out. Someone a look, but someone no one let me up. So,
With your bad mind, it's a sign of weakness.
no matter what you want, if you want to be
All about bad mind people say, you have I know.
Bad mind was the one make me tell it. Now my dreams are not without no you got to bring me up in the right. Me and my son go make this right.
Look at what I got you got, come on. We're a superstar.
Bad mind was the one make me tell it.
Chopper Entertainment. Excitement. 11th of December, Chopper. Rubber chop them out. Ready now.
Bad mind was the one make me tell it.
As a DJ play sound 40 years, rate every DJ who respect music, I love music, I respect the elders. DJ Platinum, you're there. If you call my phone and I check money enough, you can't put down 20, 100 on top. You say me as a chopper, now full dance, a big dance. 11th of December, I'm endorse it. I'm going to endorse me as youth. So me ask, I'm going to make it possible. So big up Chopper Entertainment, listening carefully, put on my glasses, and read that flyers up properly. Now the PFE. Chopper Entertainment presents a night called Chopper Lifestyle, which is a very good lifestyle. Saturday, the 11th of the month, December the 11th, people. Cool runnings, get ready. 8270 West Belford, Houston, get ready. It's not go crazy. Admission 10 before 10. After you pay 20, small price. Farmer G, alongside the Cash, 11th annual thing called Black Dress Affair. The little nice black dress ladies. It's a big birthday celebration. The 13th of the month called November. I want if you know, just remember. Alright? So with that being said, people, only 2 more flyers. I'll keep it moving. Yeah. Up to my 23rd militancy. Loyalty over royalty. Alkaline. Moving Magnum. India House is gonna be crazy. Next week, Saturday, September 18th. Come before the storm. The return. A category 4. Vegan spoilers. Birthday bash and that affair. Remember to go crazy. Listen to Conscience. Live in concert. October 30th. At the place called the Rose Garden Hall right here. Conscience. Live in concert. People. Why me I tell you sometimes I'm so disappointed. When they reach some people are calling your friend. And then I'm stuck because of money and some material things. They just switch on you again. You don't understand. So it's not I'm gonna feel free right now. Hear that truth.
Follow me now. Let's go. When I see my friends turn enemy, I ask them why. No need no bar. When I see my friends turn enemy, I ask them why. No need no bar. I know what the audience know. They need to come low. They control me. They are not this one.
Somebody say we don't know.
Don't you know about myself?
Allah! You're going to do this, you Allah! Chopper Entertainment. Listen, listen carefully. Chopper, hear me now, Chopper. Van Dyke by endorse. And we're not last year. 11th of December. Chopper Entertainment, the normal.
Not this one.
Ready again.
Don't you know about myself?
They want to want them spread out so they go money for them. When the money now, when they pay for themselves. Chopper! Read up! violence, is intelligence. Defend yourself. An enemy is necessary. When necessary. All the religion, real to you. Now you have somebody that make money. And I with some friends. They have money, and their friend and the money, the works up.
I want to big up Jungle George, you know, up here strong, you know. Big up a flavor from the building, you know, from high school, you know. You understand? You have some people, I'm friend with people for 1 week and 2 weeks. Then you them in the wall of the life. From some to some. Big up a flavor family. Them see? Big up a Cubans in the building. In the morning now, tomorrow, we don't have bus center. You understand? Special guest, don't have dime something, you know, reason something, and some girl have a reason. So shit, I bring all the girls them, because you know what things say. Alright? But anyway, enough talking. All of the money in the house, right now, you know, say, you're born with nothing, and you're proud of your blood clots before you're reaching a foreign bus 3 o'clock now. The people that were doing say you love how y'all live in a blood clot foreign, you know, come a foreign to waste time. Bus 3 blood clot, blood! Jump it!
So fucking mad, I'm a pro hate.
That's what I start, you know. Right, just so. Right now, we're in the morning. Never more than 20 minutes. Now, what do we? Blood clot.
So big bro, don't you waste.
Fire away!
Cause the man never life and live. And no matter when nobody wants it, we still don't go in this. Fucking matter is the excess over. So, get the youth to your
Woman, get your people them there! From nothing to something!
make nobody tell you nothing. Tell
What now?
them now when you come out.
Point out!
Do not free for yourself.
What on?
Just live for you and nobody.
Son of Toya!
Don't skip if you love this smoke.
You son! Jungle George, on the go! Alive! How the building!
So I guess me and touch your name.
If you don't like, if you don't like you! Pop! Blood clot, mom, in the sun and God! Super boy! Stretch your boilers! Bucket! Baby, check the music over. Request to the Buckers family, let me know. Stretch your Buckers! Shop a lifestyle! How many million make a billion? Where you sit now? Willie Chin say pull up. Willie Chin at 20 minutes me have it. So make it 20 seconds.
Yeah, by 5 seconds one time. Quick and fast. Remember when I say 40, 39, good. And we is up 11 and 7. Bump up like Ben. Anything better than lean. None of them not that. Please and just. We don't want to hold it. Yo, you see that tune that bust me here. We have to set up for that tune because we respect every American. But some American feel like they are coming forward or something and they work for you. Now we lift up them bump up like play like a tune.
So fucking bad, I'm a pro hate. So start the can't tell me.
I asked the man to start to the fireman. No money!
That don't be like fucking and be doing it.
Make up yourself, you know.
So big bro, don't you waste.
Tell again!
Not the way nobody wants it. We still not go in this young fuck.
What did that say you down there?
Like the look we have a day.
What I know?
Fuck, the money's over there. I'm not make nobody tell you nothing. Tell them about them.
Uncle Black!
Come to the day. You know free for you.
What the people that want to live for themselves then?
Want nobody.
They don't live for nobody. What is spoil us from this side? How we go?
We don't relax.
That's a no! We know! Yo, there's some bodies! Tell them! A fool for life! A my life! Me do one day. All of the youth them from nothing to something. You have some boy that make money and their mother hungry. When the youth them take care of their mother, they both dream young. say? Come. Mr. Nice! Gucci and Louis. You have some people here to pass and take care of your kids. But the pussy knows that you don't like them, they don't like you. Oi! What are you? Hey! How we go? Guys! What the people that we have on mission then? Lord God. I'm more than there. We need more than. Rapture.
How many million make a billion in a year? But here we go. We don't have a party, you know. Now, boss, man, we go drop it. Everybody an MC, but we want to drop it real good. Not true, it's humbuckler, Junker. You hear me? I said, it's serious now. Junker, bring me 2 champagne for that table there. We don't have a party. Lala, I respect you to the ground you walk on, please and thanks. I want to pay you to party in the crowd, and I pay myself, I pay somebody to host this party. The party starts now. Alright.
Early academician. What are you doing there? It's a natural. You have some people come up foreign and an ambition. All the people who say come America with a problem. And that problem is to take care of you and your kids them. Make a boy do this. Me not rush there. Now play some song with a paper America. Come. What are you? Blood clots San Antonio say pull up. Ambition. What are you? Cause you drive a Benz. I mean I drive a blood clot Honda. We are reach the same place, same time. Probably you brought them before me. Oi! That one! Blood down! No man, God, we famous! You know me now, my whole vagina. But me name new true. Remember this. The song I'm going to play tonight. Maybe the first one I hear it. The youth are name 450. Remember me didn't tell about my name. Buma Plaza. 450. That's the man that come on Jamaica. Oi! What are you, man? Time we don't kill a man. What are you? Jacqueline Vaz. Circle. What are you? Jump. What are you? Go. Spoilers pull up. Spoilers are circling islands, you know.
Let me tell you why we say Lydia.
Texas starts off for 32. Blood clot, drop top drop. Oi!
You know, sister, when you pray, feel like ocean. When you lay on the line, you so no.
Nobody!
Ocean.
What I know?
Baby dance, but the much we have to
rise up, rise up, rise up!
We great first, like the south ocean. We have like ocean. Whenever see it was.
You have something I know what you have some work like my guys. 1, 2, and 3, yeah. And them can't lock them phone. When them would have put their phone on aeroplane mode. All the regions that are living in most street love. Pull up that blood. gonna play a song with your request earlier.
Fuck you, I fuck some dog. I go beat in a ground. Hey, look at me, fuck you, I saw the camera. You make me can't get up on the camera. Baby, she's no one. And I got she got me. After me, lead up. She's the one who after certain time, no.
Any independent ladies in the motherfucking building? We're talking about our ladies with a J.O.B. right now. Ladies are for the time.
Anything mama wear, but boy don't know no come back.
Fire weird!
I mean, I see the boy with the call me up, then you go down the road. I'm a naive, if a boy get me, now I eat it. We don't see the girl with the rubber on my money, now I check it if we don't know the money.
We're going to the girl, here, bro! Bring up to the girls there. We don't say that because you have make little money now, you're not going to switch. You still appreciate Rush. You still appreciate EDs. You're not blood clot, get rich and switch. That's what girl we are Gucci and can't spell it. You hear me now?
I'm never born, you know.
Oi!
Enough from top of the success, no man.
Here, program money blood clot pull up. I don't even know.
Top girl.
I'm never born, you know.
Shoot the boy.
Still shop at the town.
Price to go before platinum.
Me a girl, me no cry, police, and me no cry, no go pee.
Independent girl. I got you. Yes, for 2021, I'll be a look good girl that you stand. Because if a girl live born and never look good, you find Dr. Blood Clot Miami and piece herself.
Girl, you are walking.
You want me look good girl like that?
Hey, girl, you are walking. And
What a girl that got pretty pretty there. Start walk. Start walk. Start walk. Start walk. Oh, Blood Clot. Come again. Shorty, happy birthday and big up yourself. Coming from airport, your mother. We don't have enough time in that twice and here before we cheese. Ready again. Woman dance like this. Start walk up on them. Come on, light. Come on, this song. Bring it. Woman look good, girl, like that. Go. Ladies, what the girl that we don't see the street? Start walk. Start walk. Start walk. Start walk. Come on, John. Can I come back up for you today? What's wrong? What the girl like this? Ready. I should say Mrs. Knight, first lady. What they look good to them? Or too much? Flavor, new money. Alkaline Live in concert, October 23rd. Indian House. Oi! Man, I don't know time. I'm going to play 2 more songs and then my brother take over. Because last week I made not no jump on.
Jump girl, jump, pick up yourself. But I'm getting a segment when I'm getting a feeling sometime. Okay, you have some people go on like, we for live full life with them. And them live for them life to please themselves. I don't know you live your life to please your baby and your mother. You give a fuck about haters. Push up your gun on them. Run it now. Yes, sir. What's around them? Yes, sir.
All of the girls in our rain and can close. Walk out. They gotta be clean. At 25 state, I'm doing already. You know the reason why?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Watch yourself, watch yourself, watch yourself. Now we find out someone. I do come from Kingston. Push up here now. Bust up down for Kingston. One more there. The money from St. Mary, St. Elizabeth, St. Andrew, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, Jungle, Tivoli, River Waters. And Bobby ever come from the money from Bobby there. The money from Spanish Town there, close and one order. Watch it, watch. Watch that. Big up in that one. Florida boss. Florida boss got 300. Spanish Town. The junglist. All of the girls that never fuck your friend, man, say no. All of the girls straight and don't say you're your friend straight. Hold up your blood clot friend in your ear. No for the boy who don't too much blood clot master, so you turn informer. I go straight to your circle. Push up your hand and let me see the brother, man. Push up your hand.
Yes, I know.
weasel, make sure no corner in that tour them. Can you see the dance here? That dance on here, foot move. I don't want to see nobody stand up one place in a blood clot church party. I want to see everybody move around. That's Sunday morning. Alright, watch it, stop. Foot move, everybody, foot move. Foot move, everybody, foot move. Move the foot. Watch it. See the dance there.
Please and thanks. Listen
Baby, sit down like that song. Rock that song. Like a boy, sing it, boy. Like a boy, sing it. Yes, sing it. Hey, y'all, let me fight the chop on them. Fight the chop on them. If your pussy good, tell the truth and say. A Sunday morning, let me put your turn back with. Let me get turn back with. Come When I'm not dealing with the girl, I'm not dealing with the get If you have one bed, no boy can come on your blood clot, yeah. That the bed there for your picnic. All of you know the boy can put you down in the house against the house color. Push up here and let me see it.
You know I'm going to go. Can't go. You can't tell me what you do. What you do. You know what you show. Yeah, this guy's coming and I'm following you. We not each other and then I'm on my corner. Boss position, so now I can't fight. Me or me from the house, me or me.
Let me get you back here.
Jungle Charge place. There's a monster. Show the whole world. How many million make a billion boss attack. Remember, Chopper Lifestyle come up. 11th of December. It's a day to remember. Full time. And we go pay. We go pay for blood clot platinum. $400.
sure you have the champagne. I know.
We have champagne for blood clot campaign. I know.
Lifestyle, no.
Remember, Bobby British, like, we're out of UK.
Wait up.
Show them in jewelry. Where you from, England, bro?
From England, mate.
Mate,
Talk about, mate.
Mate, show
down there. That's how we do.
Mate, how much for this one? About 1 million US? 1 million US.
Right for them,
1 million US or pound?
I'm from me, I like it. Go, I like you. Pussy, hey boy, watch it, you know. I know, you know.